Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel didn't care. The bear was hungry. The bear was ravenous. The bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. The bear said,
"Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I'll eat you."
Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. Then Isabel quietly ate the bear up. Once in a night as black as pitch, Isabel met a wicked old witch. The witch's face was cross and wrinkled. The witch's gums with rancid teeth were twinkled.
"Oh ho, Isabel!
The old witch crowed.
I'll turn you into an ugly toad!"
Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She showed no rage, and she showed no rancor. But she turned the witch into milk and drank her. Isabel met a hideous giant. Isabel continued self-reliant. The giant was hairy. The giant was horrid. He had one eye in the middle of his forehead.
"Good morning, Isabel,"
said the giant.
"I'll grind your bones to make my bread."
Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She nibbled the zwieback that she always fed off. And when it was gone, she cut the giant's head off. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. He punched and he poked till he really shocked her. The doctor's talk was of coughs and chills, and the doctor's satchel bulged with pills. The doctor said, "Unto Isabel, swallow this. It will make you well." Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She took those pills from the pill concoctor, and Isabel calmly cured the doctor. All right. Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the poem.
Ogden Nash was a famous American poet known for writing funny, silly poems. In The Adventures of Isabel, he writes about a brave little girl who never gets scared. When she meets scary things like a big bear, a witch, or a monster, Isabel stays calm and easily beats them all. Cavernous, huge, and hollow, like a big cave. Concoctor, a person who mixes up a drink or medicine. Hideous, very, very ugly. Pitch, pure black or total darkness. Rancor, anger, hatred, or bad feelings towards someone. Ravenous, super hungry. Scurry, to run away quickly with small steps. Self-reliant, able to do things on your own without help. Sprinkled, dropped gently all over something in tiny bits. Zwieback, a small, hard, crunchy bread or biscuit. Make sure to like and subscribe for more story videos.